Every year, millions of families suffer from cracks in walls, cracks in ceilings, doors and windows that stick or won't close at all, and damage to siding, brick, and concrete. This is all due to shifting foundations. PureTech Systems has your permanent foundation solution. The process begins when a PureTech certified installer performs a site survey. The installer will mark the building, electrical and gas lines, and the location for each pier. Then the excavation process begins, either by hand or by machine. Holes are dug in the location for each pier. This reveals the footing and allows for proper bracket placement. Once the holes are excavated to proper depth, the footing must be notched to create a flat and smooth surface for mounting the bracket. Using a bobcat, the helical piles can now be installed. The technician continually monitors pressure and torque. PureTech's patented cross-bolt connection eliminates all unwanted movement in the piles. Once the pile reaches design depth and load-bearing strata, the pile is cut off at the proper height. The PureTech True Lift bracket is then installed backwards and rotated under the foundation. The True Lift bracket has been patented to draw into the foundation, providing a more reliable and stable permanent solution. Once all piles have been driven and all brackets installed, they are locked down, and the house can now be raised. Using a hydraulic jack, each pile assembly is raised into the foundation. This careful process brings the house back to level. It loosens doors and windows, and in many cases, it closes cracks. Once the foundation is successfully stabilized, all holes are backfilled, and every effort is made to return the landscape to its original condition. PureTech Systems, your permanent foundation solution.